to have dinner on Sunday.
Oh.
No, that's... Hold on, Mom.
I'll go to dinner.
Damn! Are they that good? Are they that good? They're that good that you gotta be moaning and groaning and shit while I'm on the phone with Mom trying to make dinner plans.
I'm not moaning or groaning. You want to
Actually, you're doing both.
You want to try it?
Not if it's gonna make me do that. What kind of fucking gas station pill chips did you buy?
No, these are the best.
Okay, they can't be that great. They can't be that great. It can't. You trying to tell me something?
You're fire.
Not the chips. You trying to tell me something else? I know what you want. Put the chips down. Put the chips down. These chips are better.